Hi friends, Mrs. Palo here, and I get to talk to you about some fun stuff that's in your packet. And the first thing that you guys are going to get to do is sight words. You're going to get to do sight words. You're going to do this and in. And remember, you're going to write your name on the front on that line. You're going to trace T-H-I-S. You're going to do it again here, and then you're going to write it 2 times on that bottom, that solid line. Remember, we're not writing on the dotted line, we're using the bottom solid line. Then you're going to open it up, and you're going to do your tracing on the inside. T-H-I-S, this. You're going to do it down here, and then here you get to do it yourself. And then you're going to go back with mommy or daddy or brother or sister. I want you to read the book. So this is, see, this is my father. Sound it out. Use the pictures as clues. Once you're done, on the back, our word search, you're going to look for the word this, T-H-I-S, in order. So you're going to go through, is this T-H-I-T? Is it the same as T-H-I-S? No. Here's one, T-H-I-S. And you're going to circle it with a pencil or a crayon. Then you're going to count up how many you found, and you're going to write the number right there. You're going to do the same thing on the in page. The next thing you're going to do is the penguin page. Cut out each lowercase letter and paste it next to the correct capital letter. So you're going to cut along this solid line. You're going to cut each of these squares out, and you're going to say, this letter is the letter D. Duh. Where does that go up here? Does it go here? That letter, that's C. That makes a K sound. That's the letter N. That makes the N sound. F. D. Duh. That's the lowercase d. That's the uppercase D. So you're going to, after you've cut that out, you're going to glue that right into that spot. You're going to do each letter on that page. The next thing you're going to get to do is circle the pictures in each row that are the same and draw an X on the picture in each row that does not match. You're going to have to think about this one. You're going to have to look at each lamb, and you're going to have to go, what is different about those lambs? This lamb, I'm noticing, he doesn't have a little mark on his toes. So he only has like one or none. Then these, they have one on each one. So I'm going to think. I'm going to think, and I'm going to go, this one is different. So I'm going to put an X through that, and I'm going to circle the other 3. You're going to do the parrot, and you're going to do the cow, and you're going to do the flower. So put those thinking caps on and think about that. The next thing you're going to get to work on is draw an X on the picture in each box that is different. This is kind of the same idea as the one that I just talked about. So you're going to look at each car, and you're going to think, which one is different? I noticed something. This has these fancy wheels. No fancy wheels. Fancy wheels. So you're going to put an X on the one that doesn't have the fancy wheels. You're going to do the same with the airplane and the boat and the truck. And you can color it too if you want to. The next thing that you're going to get to do is we're talking about creation, day 4, when God made the sun and the moon and the stars. This is a sun. And you have some instructions here that an adult can help you read, but you're going to cut all along this dotted line, or the solid line. You're going to glue that on this blue paper back here. See, blue paper. Then you get to cut on all of these solid lines and cut. What shape is that? Is that a circle? Is that a circle like that? No. You know. That's a triangle. So you're going to cut all these triangles out. Then you get to glue the triangles like this picture around the sun. You can glue that on this blue paper. Okay, Mrs. Jones is going to come and show you some other projects that are really fun projects that you get to work on. I miss you all. I love you all. I'm praying for you, and I hope that you are having a great time being at home with your families.
Okay. Hi, girls and boys. Somebody told me I didn't say hello last time, so hello. I hope you're all having fun and you're all enjoying being at home and finding things to do. We're going to continue with our packet. Mrs. Palo did the first part and I'm going to carry on with the second. We're working on creation and we're on day 4. On day 4, God made the sun, the moon, and the stars. In your packet, you will get a book. This one doesn't say anything on the front, so you're going to have to write day 4. We've used a white crayon, and that shows up really well, so you might try that. The first thing was the sun. Here's your sun. You're going to color it and you're going to cut round. Now you can take the challenge. Some of you are really good cutters and you can go in and out and in and out and in and out all the way around. Probably easier to color it first and then cut second. There's your moon. Again, color it up, cut round, round, round. And you're going to use a glue stick to glue these in. Don't forget, sun came first, then moon. You don't have to cut the stars. We've given you stickers. Here are some star stickers for you to put on the last page. We've got another star for you to do as well. This one's a wooden star. You can color it with markers, you can make patterns on it, you can do whatever you like. But if you take a paintbrush or maybe a Q-tip and put it in some drippy glue, you can make dots all over it and then you can make glitter on it. It will only stick to the glue, so only put the glue where you want the glitter to go. It's going to be so pretty. Maybe you could hang it somewhere. On day 5, God made the birds. Here's an owl for you. Woo, 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 woo. It will come looking like this to you. Those are all your pieces. There's your back piece. You're going to cut round. Don't chop his ears off. All the way around. Then this piece will be the second part. One thing to note on this one is that this goes like a dip and this one goes up like this. Do you see it? There's a difference. This one dips down and this one goes up and along and along. That's where your beak will go. Here's your beak. They're just on a piece of tape and you can pull the tape off and they'll separate. And then put it on its long stick and it will eventually look like an owl. Whoop, whoop. You can have fun. You can make more and you can have lots of fun playing with your other siblings or maybe Mummy and Daddy too. And then the last one that we have will come like this in your packet. Here are some pieces for you. They'll be in a Ziploc bag and you will cut your fish out. Cut, cut, cut. Now this one is very tricky. So many times it's really hard to go around these and go up through the middle. But if you go just around the outside of all of them, it's a little bit easier. But again, you can take the challenge. Don't forget, there are fins all the way around. There's his tail and the fin on top. Don't go through this line. I know we usually go all around those dark lines, but that one is not one to go around. You're going to go all around the top. Cut, 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 cut. There he is. Now you're going to make him look pretty. This one wasn't cut out, but I'm going to show you. You're going to get a glue stick and make a dot. And then take, I dropped him on the floor, one of your scales and pop it on. We're going to give you a lot of scales so you can put as many on as you like. There are red ones. And there are gold ones. They like to curl up. It's a little tricky sometimes. But you can do it. You've got time. And a blue one. There. Your fish is going to look absolutely beautiful. You can colour on it with markers as well if you want to. And those are the projects that we have for you in this packet. It's lovely to talk to you, and we love seeing you when you come through and pick up the packets. It's fun to wave to you and hear what you've all been doing. So we look forward to seeing you at your next packet pickup. And until then, we love you, take care, God bless you, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now. Bye.